When I talk about mycotoxins, I'm doing you a little bit of a disservice because they're actually each a little bit different. Mycotoxins as an umbrella term, when I'm talking about them in general, I'm talking about what makes them all the same. They are all fat soluble, which means we can accumulate them in our body in the fat stores, so it's called bioaccumulation. When they're all toxic to the immune system and can rewire us to be genetically more susceptible to infection. I call it being more wimpy. They're all toxic to the nervous system, to the gut, to the skin. They all have kind of attributes that we can count on. They reduce mitochondrial function, cause low battery mode in our bodies, fatigue, brain fog, that kind of thing. But each of them is a little unique in how they affect the body. Each of them causes their own little set of symptoms. And so if we pay attention to how our body detoxifies them, we can get them out of the body faster. So if you want to know how to target certain mycotoxins that you're finding on your tests, go to my website, drcrista.com/ whatever the name of the mycotoxin is. So aflatoxin, citrinin, gliotoxin, ochratoxin, zearalenone, mycophenolic acid. So you can find out where in the peel the orange you can institute these particular mycotoxin specific detox agents to help you get it out of the body faster. So where it fits into the peel the orange is from avoidance to fundamentals. Those are all done through avoidance, obviously get away from mold. Fundamentals is diet, circadian rhythm, good clean living, put yourself to bed on time, all those things. Move your body, get outside, breathe fresh air. But the mycotoxin fact sheets fill in on the protect and repair phase. And then we move to the antifungals, which is the fight. So the protect and repair phase, if you know the mycotoxins that you're dealing with, because you've tested them in your urine or in your blood, this can shorten your recovery time because you're being targeted. So go to drcrista.com/ whatever mycotoxin it is, so you can conquer mold, take back your health, and get to it a little bit faster.